How to import video and audio files in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive on your computer. Once the program is running, look for the project bin panel, usually located on the left side of the screen. Next, you can import your video and audio files by clicking the Add Clip or Folder button at the top of the project bin. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the location where your video or audio files are saved. Select the files you want to import and click Open. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop your video and audio files directly into the project bin from your file explorer. Once imported, the files will appear in the project bin, ready for you to drag onto the timeline for editing. You can import multiple files at once, making it easy to gather all your media in one place for your video project. And that's it. Now you know how to import video and audio files into Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.